Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the company KNDI. It is a Chinese company. They produce their own cars and work with NIO similarly. You can see their car design and style. It might not be for everyone, but it's definitely something to consider. We are going to be talking about this company and what to expect over the next few weeks. So stay tuned to the video. We have great news today that made the stock price to go significantly higher. So make sure to subscribe and let's get into the video. So we're going to look at the stock price and you can see it's down 16.31%. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at it over the day, over the month and over a 6-month period to just have a look at the trend of the share price. As we can see here over the day, as the time has passed, it picked up at around 11:30 a.m., going up at opening at 13.39 and closing at 13.48. So you can see it's a downward trend during the day. Over a 5-day period, you can see it's showing kind of an upward trend. It is going up. So we can see that the high here is at 14.20. Opening at 13.8. Over the month, we can see this significant increase in price, taking a drop on the 11th, skyrocketing again from 11th of November onwards and peaking at 14.41. So you can see this is an upward trend, and what we want to know is if this trend is going to continue or it's going to fall down again. So we want to know if we should buy now or wait to see if it's going to increase. If we look at the 3-month trend, we can see here it's been fairly constant around between $6 and $7, peaking up here at $7.18, here reaching the $8.75 mark, here the $10 mark, and then dropping to $6 and then peaking up again to $14. So if we had bought here around the $6 mark, it's now $14. So we could have easily made a huge profit here if we knew this was going to happen. As you can see here, over the 6-month period, it was fairly constant as well, moving from $3, increasing steadily, slowly by surely, $3 to $4 to $5, and then skyrocketing here to $9, opened at $3 and then closed at $9, which is excellent. And then if we come down here, you can see it stayed around $9-10, coming down again to $6-7 and then decreasing and then increasing as well. So if we look at the year trend, we can see over the last year that it's definitely on the upward spiral. You can see it's increasing, and here this is where the main spike is. If we can see here on this date, the 19th, this is when the shares skyrocketed up 7%. The question is this KNDI stock going to increase more? Let's get into it. The fact that the company announced that the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality has been confirmed for both companies. The models, the K23 electric SUV and the K27 compact car, qualifies for the Texas offering a $2,500 state tax rebate on purchases of renewable fuel powered automobiles. Now what? You'll have to act fast if you want one. Note that there is limited quantity here, and they're only allowing the rebate to the first 2,000 applicants. So if you want to buy a KNDI, you have to act fast. The ultimate aim here is to encourage people to switch over to an electric vehicle, which is what I think is going to happen in the future. We've seen an increase in Tesla and we've seen an increase in NIO stock. It's because electric vehicles are the future. The K27, you can see from the shape and design, there's a lot of people interested in it. If you don't particularly like the style or design, there is other models available here. We can see the model K23 here going for as little as $19,999 after federal tax credit. The shape might not be particularly attractive. If you're not particularly interested in these models, there is the SUV model, which I particularly like. This one, the style is very nice. It is the maple. I can show you the SUV. It looks really nice. Nice design, nice looking SUV. So something definitely to consider if you're thinking about moving into the EV space. So if you're somebody looking to buy shares in this company, let's try and figure out what is the ideal price for this stock. So what would be an ideal price to buy this stock at? So let's take a look at the stock prices here. Right now it's sitting at $12.06. Ideally, you want to buy when it's coming into this area here around maybe $5 to $6. If it reaches $5 to $6, I think that would be a good price point to buy the shares at. So definitely keep it on your watch list and keep monitoring this shares, ticker symbol KNDI. Definitely something to look for and to keep a watch out for, because if it goes on the upside again, you can definitely make a profit on this. So most countries are moving towards the shift over to electric vehicles over the next 5 to 10 years. In 2025, 2030, 2035, most countries want to have electric vehicles on the road just to reduce the pollution. If you are looking to buy, try to buy in this area here, in the support area. Wait for the price to come down again before you invest. And if you're looking to invest over the short term, buy in the support area. If you're looking to invest over the long term, then buy and keep it for a few years. Thank you guys for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing to this channel for more information about investing.